Today we're looking at Disney Doorables. Now, this is the Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas version. These are very different and very unique, won't you say so?
Yeah.
Can you please tell us a little bit about this? We have a special guest here that's going to discuss it with us. So go ahead.
So you could get 8 or 5. I opened this last night.
Okay, you got it yesterday.
Yeah.
And it came last night, and then you opened them up, so you wanted to show everybody.
Let me show you the back.
Okay.
Let's flip it down.
Yeah, and we have the different characters.
Okay, so you could get 8 or 5. Here's Sally.
Sally. Jack Skeleton. Yep.
This one's a mystery one, which I already know what the mystery one will be.
Okay, that's Barrel.
Yeah, Barrel.
Lock. And Shock.
And we have
Boogie Oogie.
Boogie Oogie.
Mayor.
And
Zero. Zero's like a little doggy.
Yeah, I like Zero.
So let's turn this over. So this is how it comes, and this is for age 5+. That's what it says. Let's open up.
I want to...
Oh, go ahead. So you can explain everything. Go ahead when you're ready.
Okay, let's open it. Ooh. And this is what the Disney Doorables come in. These little key bags.
The little bags. Okay. Yeah. Each one comes in a bag, you're saying.
This is the mystery character. This is it.
Okay.
Jack Skeleton Santa Claus.
Oh, okay.
And on the mayor, it can move its head.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, that's very cool. So let's open up the first one. Yeah. Let's see.
We got Oogie Boogie.
Oogie Boogie. Oh, he's very cute. Small.
Yes.
And very cute. Lots of detail. Very, very nice. Okay, put that to the side. And the second one.
Sally.
Oh, and little Sally. And Sally is very cute as well. Look at that. Okay, Sally's good. Yep. I like the eyes on Sally, actually.
Yeah.
The eyes are cool.
Yeah. Now let's see the first.
And each one of these has a bag, just so you know.
Oh, we got Barrel, I think.
Let's see. Yes, I like the eyes in this one, too. Very cool. Okay.
Yeah, he looks funny.
Yeah, I love that one. Let's see the next one.
Ooh, I think we got Shock.
Okay.
Did we get Shock?
Let's take a look. Let's take a look in the back and double check. This is Shock. Yes, we did.
Yep.
Yes, we got you. And look at the eyes. Now, all the eyes are very cool in these things, I have to say. And next one.
Do we already open Shock?
Yep. The middle one.
The middle one is... We got the mayor.
Oh, and the mayor is special, right?
Yeah, because it moves his head.
Let me see. Oh, his head.
It's hard to
Let me see. Let me see if I can help.
I can do it.
Okay.
It's kind of easy for me.
Okay. He moves his head 2 different positions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but nobody can see
And
what
this
people
is
see.
the mad face. Like the maddest sad.
Oh, that's mad, and then the other one is
Happy. You can like turn it.
turn. Yeah. I get it. Okay, cool.
I
Awesome.
want to get back to happy.
Okay, happy. Yeah. Happy. Yes. Next one.
So we are
Yeah.
ready.
So how many did you get so far?
So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep.
Yeah. And guys, just so you know, if the Jack Skeleton one, his head glows in the dark.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you.
Okay. So this one we got is Lock.
That's Lock. There we go. There's Lock.
We have 2 more to open.
2 more to open.
Let's open this one.
Let me
We
see.
got Jack Skeleton.
Oh, you got Jack. Let's get a little. There we go. There's the little eyes. I love the eyes. Very cool. Okay. Yeah. And what else? One more.
The last
Mystery.
one. Yep. And there's the mystery.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Zero. It's so small and cute.
Oh, he is a cutie. Look at that.
Yep, and look at his little pumpkin nose.
Oh, yes, I love it. Oh, it's awesome. Well, thank you very much for sharing all this with us. It really means a lot.
Yeah.
I appreciate all your expertise. You're so knowledgeable in all these toys, and I really appreciate your time. And don't forget to follow the channel. Say.
Yeah. Don't forget to follow the channel.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.